Hey, welcome to How's Channel. In today's tutorial, we will teach you how to turn on email notification sound in Outlook 2019 web app. Let's go. Open the web browser. Paste the link you can find in the description box below. Open the web page. Click on Sign In and log into your account. Click on the gear icon at the top right corner. Scroll down and click on View All Outlook Settings. Select General from the left side menu. Go to Notifications. Check Play a sound when a message arrives. Click on Save. Easy. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!